Umengameli Ramaphosa uthi South Africa ithabile ngokuba ingcenye yombuthano lo ngombana kunengi ekuzokuzuzwa zinarha eziningi.
South Africa is truly excited and honored to be part of Expo 2020, where there is a clear exhibit of unbelievable and numerous opportunities for business to business, people to people contact and investment exchanges.
Umengameli uthi inarha ezokusebenzisana nenarha le zizokuzuza litholo khulu hlangana nakho ekubalwa nekoro yezivakatsho bukelo.
We have highlighted opportunities for trade, investment and tourism, enabling South African companies to exhibit their products and engage with prospective customers, international buyers as well as investors.
Bewabala nezinto eziqhakathekileko athi inarha le inothengazo wathi kanti zingaba lisizo elikhulu kezinye inarha.
From across our 9 provinces, there have been installations on music, dance, poetry, storytelling, theater, film, design, fine arts and fashion.
Bewathi umengameli okuhle ngeSouth Africa ukuthi sebenzisa ihlelo lethungelelwano le-inthanethi nalihwebelana nezinye inarha i-e-commerce.
We are also excited that an e-commerce marketing place has been activated to give customers direct access to products that are produced in South Africa.
Uthi inarha ezifisa ukusebenzisana neSouth Africa zingabi nevalo. Usezingeni eliphezulu khulu umthangalasekelo othinda icwepheshe yesimanje manje.
We have a strong and well-regulated financial, banking and taxation system. We also have world-class IT infrastructure that is attracting global companies to set root in South Africa.
Umqaliso lo yokuphela ngelesine kanti eqinisweni kwakufuze uthome ngo-2020 bese uphela ngomnyaka opheleleko. Kodwa kwasuke kwaphazamisa ukwehla kwe-COVID-19. Nenarha esestikini sepi kukunje ukuyiRussia neUkraine zikhona nazo kulomqaliso. Sanonyaka nje isiqubulo sithi connecting minds, creating future.
And we thank you for making us part of this unbelievable expo, and thank you very much indeed.
Ngingusitshaba Mahlangu, ndaba ze SABC, Johannesburg.